Hello and welcome back to Dance with Sheree. Today we're doing a kind of a mishmash of a salsa inspired, cha-cha inspired, Sheree inspired, Latin inspired dance and music. It's going to be a lot of fun. The warm-up will be a little bit different because we're actually really working on the rhythm and the steps and the arms. The first track of warm-up will be mostly just legs, and then we'll start adding the arms. And in the second track, your arms should actually ache a little bit because, well, we don't want, canteen arms, do we? So stick with me. It's going to be a lot of fun. Now, before I forget, if you are enjoying my classes, please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. And if you'd like to comment, I so welcome that. And I promise you I will reply. All right, let's get going with track 1, shall we? Let's get going with the basic salsa step, or Sheree's version of the salsa step. Here we go. So all you're going to do is you're just going to go across the body, all right? So it's 1, 2, 3 and hold. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Just keep the arms doing whatever feels natural. Just get that step. And when the hold comes, your body is still moving. Now you're going to go back. Same thing. Goes back. If you can get those elbows up a little bit, that's good. Let's do 4 more of those. Going back. If the hips get involved, beautiful. Now going to go forward and back. That goes forward. And repeat that exactly. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward. And then you're going to go to the other side. This leg comes forward. Back. And 1 more of those. And then I'm going to teach you a turn. All right. You're going to go forward, turn straight away to the back. Other leg goes back. This one comes forward, turn. This one goes back. This one goes forward. This one goes back. This one goes forward. This one goes back. If you get confused, don't worry too much. But just remember to turn straight away. And then the other leg goes back. Same salsa pattern. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward. Other leg goes back. That leg goes forward. Turn. That leg goes back. This leg comes forward. Turn. This leg goes back. This leg goes forward. Turn. This one goes back. That one comes forward. Turn. And you're doing it. This leg goes forward. And this one goes back. This one goes forward. And this one goes back. Let's keep going. Basic salsa pattern down. Let's add some arms in, shall we? Right. So, you're going to take this arm back and it's going to come across your body. This arm back, across your body. Then you're going to add in the salsa. So it goes behind your body and just keep it going like that. Yeah? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Same arm as leg goes back. Keep it very loose, but a little bit of tension in the upper body. A few more. 2 more. Then we're going to change it. Now we're going to go arms, small, arms, a bit like smearing cream I heard on the table. Works for me. Then you're going to put it in the leg. Smear that cream. The first one's bigger. Shoulders down. And arms. A few more. And then we're going to go forward, diagonally, across the body. A few more. One more. Now, you're going to go across and up. Across and up. Across. Up. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you go. Remember to focus with your eyes. Couple more. 2 more. All right. Now you're going to go forward, turn, and 2 escapes. Forward, turn, 2 escapes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward and escape. Escape. Forward, turn and escape. And forward, turn, escape. Forward, turn and escape. Forward, turn. Whatever feels natural with the arms for this one. Forward and escape. Couple more. 2 more. 1 more. All right. You're going to scoop and scoop. 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 We ran out of music. How'd you go? Right, now it's time to put all of that together. Feet, legs, the whole thing in our routine. I will always, of course, have all the steps down here as subtitles so you can always follow. And the second time through, I will not talk and you will just follow that and you and I will dance together. It's going to be great. Now, today, I did say something about a Sheree mishmash, and that is exactly what it is. So it's salsa combined with a bit of a cha-cha. Okay, why not? Who said we can't do that? I certainly didn't. So your basic rhythm is going to be 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. All right? Rightio, let's put all of that together. Now, the first step I'm going to call diagonal front. So when you see that up there, you know what it means. So diagonal front, we did this in the warm-up. The only difference is we have a cha-cha in between. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. You have 8 of those. So let's pretend we've done 8 of those with the cha-cha. Yes, diagonal front. Now, this is going to be called turn with cha-cha. Front, turn, cha-cha-cha. Front, turn, cha-cha-cha. Front, turn, cha-cha-cha. Front, turn, cha-cha-cha. There's 4 of those. And so that's front, turn, cha-cha-cha. Then we have escapes. Now, they're quite quick, so keep them very small. Escape, 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 escape. 4 of those the other way. Escape, 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 escape. Do that in halves. 2. Escape, 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 escape. And then 1, 2, 3 and hold. And that's the first part. All right, so diagonal front, 8 of those. 4, turn with cha-cha. 4, pretend we've done 4, and then escapes, escape, 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 escape. 1, 2, 3. Then we go into what I'm going to call paddle turn. Now, if you can get the hip going, beautiful, but please watch your back. Otherwise, just do the feet. So it's just paddle turn, paddle turn, paddle turn, paddle turn. Then you go the other way. So if you can, add an arm. Turn, turn, turn. 4, it doesn't matter where you end up. And doesn't matter which way you turn. I don't care. Then go the other way. Turn, 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 turn. Hey, repeat that. Turn, 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 turn. Now, we did this in the warm-up. We call this back diagonal, cha-cha-cha, back, cha-cha-cha, back, cha-cha-cha, back. We do 8 of those. Yeah, so we do back diagonal, 8 of those. Then you repeat the first bit again, which is the turn, paddle turn, 3, 4, except we only do 2 sets this time. And then we go back, cha-cha-cha, and this time only 4. Then we halve that again, just 2 paddles the other way, back, cha-cha-cha, I did my arm the wrong way. And then you repeat 2, 2, and the arm goes that way. Sorry about that before. And then when we finish that, we go right back to the top, to this. Front diagonal, you've got 8 of those, yeah, 7, 8. Turn, cha-cha-cha, 4 of those. Then you've got escapes. Escape, 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 escape. 1, 2, 3. And I don't care, that was a terrible pose at the end. But find some kind of pose that feels really good. So 1, 2, 3, or whatever feels wonderful for you. All right, let's give it a go. All of the steps will be right here, so don't worry. Feet just get going first. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, just practice that with me. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Ready to go with those arms? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha-cha. We're doing 8 of these. Shoulders down. Now turn and cha-cha and turn. Repeat that. Escapes. Shake. 4 the other way. Just 2, 3 singles. Paddle turn. Go the other way. Repeat the paddle turn. And repeat. Back diagonal. 8 of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to the paddle turn. Other way. Diagonal back. Cut that paddle turn in half. And back. Back diagonal. Repeat that again. Back diagonal. Ready to go from the start. 8 of these. How you going? Ready to turn with a cha-cha. Here we go. Front and turn. Cha-cha-cha. Turn. Escapes. 2 singles. Well done. Now we do it with me, no talking. Hooly dooly, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, please. And also leave me a comment. So next week, I'll have a different sort of class, different sort of feel, and I hope you can join me then. In the meantime, have a wonderful day and keep Latin dancing, salsa dancing, cha-cha dancing, whatever we're calling it. Let's just keep dancing.